shit.
What happened?
No, there's just no way to get in there. There's probably 4.
4 bolts down there?
Yep, there's probably 4. Let me see if I can find them.
I'm gonna start doing that one. Today, we found out that the problem was even worse than we thought. So we're gonna have to basically take everything apart, starting with the exhaust elbow, which we spent so long waiting on. Something that we're doing that's important is putting the bolts and screws in the old plastic bag. It's almost off.
When we split the seal on the exhaust elbow, after trying to start it, we got salt water out. So that means we have salt water in our exhaust, and it's not supposed to be there because this is supposed to be a dry exhaust. So if we have salt water in the dry exhaust, then it has to be coming from a rotten manifold that is rotted through by the raw water. So we're going to take off the entire manifold and heat exchanger and have a look.
What do we got? That antifreeze or salt water?
It's rusty salt water.
Certainly doesn't look very clean in there.
So we're going to drain the antifreeze.
We'll get back to you once this waiting game is over. You'll see it in about these 4 bolts.
But I'm trying to find other screws or bolts that maybe hold this on, and I don't know if I can get them out. Holy shit.
What happened?
No, there's just no way to get in there. There's probably 4.
4 bolts down there?
Yep, there's probably 4. Let me see if I can find them. 1, 2. Let me see if I can get the one on the end.
That's rust, right?
Yep. Well, guys, I don't know if you can see this. Can you see these 4 bolts? The manifold slides down. There's a notch. One side has a notch, the other side has a bolt that goes all the way through. So you got to loosen these 4 nuts, and they did come loose. Then you can lift this whole thing off. But there's no way to get there. They're underneath and they're really hard to get to. And these gaskets are completely ate up.
Yeah, we need more gasket material.
Well, these are a special type of exhaust gasket.
Well, that explains part of our problem.
But there's a lot of rust in here.
After a couple days thought, we decided to put it back on.
We're going to try and get it started, just running. That's all we want, just to see if we can run it. So we have to replace the gasket in there. Uh-oh, you know what? It's not properly lined up.
Back again after lining it up properly.
First, let's just try and start her.
Got it. Is the starter solenoid thingy on?
Yes.
Okay. 1, 2, 3. Arms.
Wait. Do it again. Stop. I didn't tighten it up. I actually didn't tighten the manifold. I was getting exhaust gases. Okay, do it again.
Hey, water! I hear water for the first time.
Where? Okay, so there is salt water getting in there, but I don't think it's coming from the exhaust. Okay.
Do we have to rebuild after all?
Probably. I don't know where that's coming from. Okay, so here's what I want to do.
Okay.
We're going to find where this is coming from. I want to crack the back half of this.
And see if water's coming out of it?
Yep. Look at that. Water running out.
So it is getting through.
Yep. Okay, the exhaust is dead.
Does that mean our entire exhaust system is dead then?
Yes. It's just running out. Look at that.
Yep, I can see the level.
Okay, so We now know what's wrong. Now we get to start to continue the restoration process by repowering the boat and re-exhausting the boat.
Of course, if you want to see more of this, comment, subscribe, and check out the Patreon for exclusive content when it drops, and videos a week early.